This morning, we're waking up to temperatures in the lower 20s. Two separate storm systems we're going to be tracking over the next couple days, and then an additional one for the weekend. Current look at Storm Tracker. We do have some winter storm watches out for southern Indiana. This is with system number 1. This first system is mainly going to miss central Indiana, but with system number 2, winter storm watch is already out to the west. These will likely be expanded to include Illinois and then eventually parts of northwestern Indiana. We'll dive into the details in a second. I mentioned 21 here in Indy, 18 in Chicago, 12 in Green Bay. We haven't had measurable snow here in Indianapolis for 17 days. You'd have to go back to January 23rd. Of course, we'll have the chance this week, but it's going to come down to the rain-snow line. Live look at our Wish TV tower camera. Sitting at the 20-degree mark, partly cloudy to mostly clear. Today, we'll keep that trend through the morning into the early afternoon. Then mid to upper level clouds increasing as the afternoon goes on. Temperatures in the upper 30s. It's actually pretty average for this time of year. Average high 39 degrees. We'll hit that exactly for today. 40 in Columbus, 40 in Bloomington, and 33 in Kokomo. For tonight, falling back into the upper 20s and low 30s, basically statewide. And then diving into system number 1. So the winter storm watches don't include central Indiana. Southern Indiana included, winter weather advisories in far southeastern Indiana, closer to Cincinnati. We'll show you why. Futurecast, just fast forwarding through today, clouds increasing later on today. They're in place for tonight, and then as we're waking up tomorrow morning. Now, I wouldn't rule out flurries for Bloomington and Columbus as we're waking up tomorrow morning. Just the bulk of the action is going to be along the Ohio River. We'll see how far north those flurries do creep. Steadiest snow likely south of Bloomington and Columbus for tomorrow into the afternoon and evening. Even later on in parts of tomorrow, we could see that snow transition to light rain in southeastern parts of the state. Overall system wrapping up, I'd say, by the evening. Going back to that snow forecast quickly, that snow forecast, not much until you get to around the Ohio River, 1 to 3 inches. I wouldn't rule out a dusting for Bloomington, Columbus, and eastern Indiana, but for the metro area, we're not expecting anything. The bulk of central Indiana, just cloudy and dry. Temperatures in the mid-30s and wind sustained at about 5 to 10 miles an hour out of the northeast for tomorrow. Now into Wednesday's storm system. This one's going to be more impactful for our area just because regardless, we're going to get some form of precipitation here in central Indiana late Wednesday into Wednesday night. It's too early to tell the exact spot of the rain-snow line, and that's the reason why we're not putting out snow maps just yet. But accumulating snow is more likely in northwestern Indiana. Areas that remain all snow, we're probably talking about multiple inches. And this storm system also has a freezing rain and sleet component, meaning ice could be an issue as well. Fast forwarding on Futurecast, just diving into Wednesday to show what's happening here. As I mentioned, northwestern Indiana likely remaining all snow. That pink color is mixed precipitation, and that line goes directly through central Indiana. Of course, we're still a few days away, so we could have this line shift 50 miles north or 50 miles south. And that makes a huge difference with snowfall totals versus ice or rain. So stay tuned in our forecast really here in the next 24 hours. I think we'll start to nail that down. On the backside, we wouldn't rule out some light snow showers as we're starting off the day on Thursday. 7-day forecast, we'll keep our temperatures in the 30s the next couple of days. Once that system does go by on Wednesday, upper 20s on Thursday. Valentine's Day is looking dry in our area with clouds increasing later on in the day in the mid-30s. By the weekend, another storm system on the way. Rain and snow likely once again. Again, this is going to be a storm system where the rain-snow line means everything. Temperatures in the lower 40s on Saturday, and on the backside, some snow showers possible on Sunday.
This is Wish TV.